Merry Christmas, home improvement bitches! I have that rare opportunity to keep plugging away at this cat condo, and let's get to work. As I mentioned before, I had this graciously donated to me for free. I also had those roofing nails donated to me for free. Unfortunately, they are too long. So I got myself some 7/8, and this will be enough to work through all that. And it's time to get to work. Okay, there's the roof. Not only did I take it under advisement to just keep going with my project, I also took it under advisement to keep drinking. Okay, so the first coat of stain is on this bad boy. Almost consumed the rest of that beer. You saw me drinking on camera. I think it's a good time to just call it a day. Let's let it dry. Maybe I can even dry up. But poor attempt at humor. Deuces for now.